welcome back to my channel. Today we want to make a chicken sweet sauce. So let's check it out. So guys, over here I have 2 chicken thigh, sweet sauce, coriander powder, 5 pieces of garlic, and then 7 pieces of shallot, about 6 pieces of candle nut, some chili, lemongrass, yellow ginger, blue ginger, lime leaf, and salam leaf. So this one is the bumbu. So first we make our bumbu. We put all on the stone. You also can use blender, except our lemongrass, ginger, blue ginger, lime leaf, and salam leaf. We don't need to blend it. Bumbu is done already. First, we fry our bumbu. Wait until fragrant. Then we add the condiment. And then we fry back. Wait until our bumbu is cooked. Okay, so we're ready to put the chicken, and we mix together with our bumbu. And then we add our 1 cup of water. And then we add our sweet sauce. And then we stir and mix together. Pinter-pinter gue lah main ke kamera. Okay, then we add our coriander powder. We stir together. Then wait until all cooked. And the chicken can absorb our gravy and bumbu. Okay, so our chicken is cooked already, ready to plating. Okay guys, so our chicken sweet sauce is ready. Ta-da! Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel. And see you for the next video. Bye bye.